Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite 5G, and let me show you how to manage Google account, so how to add it and remove it. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the accounts and sync. As you can see here, we've got the Google option, so we can tap on it, and here we can sign in and manage our account, but I would like to do it using the accounts and sync, so let's tap on it, and now let's tap on add account. Choose Google. Make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course if you want to read it, just tap on it, and here we've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so let's tap on accept. Now let's get back, and as you can see here we've got our Google account which we just added. If you want to remove it, just tap on it, click on more, and tap on remove account. Click on remove account. If you are sure, tap on OK. If you've got a pattern, PIN, password or fingerprint, then just confirm the whole step. And as you can see, our Google account simply disappears, so it means that we successfully removed it. So that's all. This is how to manage your Google account in your Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.